Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget Adirondack chairs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Best Choice Products Folding Adirondack Chair. Finding an Adirondack chair that will seamlessly blend with your outdoor decor can be quite the hustle with the various designs and colors on the market. Fortunately, this solid wood Adirondack chair comes with a beautiful natural finish to complement your style, including furniture you may have on your porch, patio, or garden. This classic Adirondack chair made of natural hemlock wood is designed to withstand any weather condition. It has a foldable design in case you want to store it safely when not in use. In addition, the frame is lightweight and easy to carry. This outdoor Adirondack chair does not play when it comes to relaxation. The large seat is very comfortable with a tall backrest and wide armrests. This is perfect when you want to read a book outside, watch your kids play in the backyard, or catch up with friends and family around the fire pit. Number 2. Our second best pick is Keter Adirondack Chair Seating. This plastic Adirondack chair is designed with your comfort and relaxation in mind. With a chair depth of 26 inches and a width of 21.8 inches, this chair fits anyone comfortably when relaxing in your outdoor space. In addition, the plastic material is super durable to withstand sunny and cold weather without breaking, fading, or chipping. If you are looking for an Adirondack chair to add color to your outdoor furniture, this piece will make an excellent choice. Another exciting feature not common in Adirondack chairs is that it has a cup holder. One 5-star reviewer commented on the convenience of this feature. So, if you plan on having your tea, smooth, or alcoholic beverage in your outdoor space, you do not need to have a side table. Number 3. Our third best pick is Signature Design by Ashley Sundown Adirondack Chair. We are not afraid of color when it comes to choosing outdoor furniture, and you shouldn't too. This red hard plastic Adirondack chair is the perfect addition to your patio garden when you want to spend more time in nature and away from screens. The virgin high-density polyethylene material has a textured grain finish that sheds rainwater easily. The durable design weathers all seasons without wearing out. This means that you can enjoy the shell-back snapping plastic Adirondack chairs any time of the year. Since it is multifunctional, this chair pairs well with a side table on your porch, patio, or outdoor deck since it is multifunctional. However, the only downside is that it is not foldable, which is not a big deal if you plan on leaving it out throughout the year. Additionally, there are other colors like beige, gray, and turquoise to choose from in case red is not your favorite. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Polywood Modern Adirondack Chair. If you want a modern design on the classic Adirondack chair, then it doesn't get any better than this option. This one sports an evidently stylish look and feel that will certainly make a difference in the overall appearance of your outdoor area. It also holds up quite well too, thanks to the mahogany build. It is made from genuine Polywood lumber to withstand a range of environmental stressors, including hot sun, snowy winters, and strong coastal winds. You'll also be pleased to know that this Adirondack chair is built to last. More so, it can go over a couple of seasons without losing its visual appeal. So much so that some reviewers mentioned it was difficult to differentiate their new set from similar old ones. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Outdoor Interiors Eucalyptus Wood Adirondack Chair. This Adirondack chair is made of dense and durable eucalyptus hardwood, making it long-lasting and easy to maintain. Eucalyptus hardwood performs much the same as the more expensive teak, withstanding harsh weather conditions all year round. It's also heavy enough to hold up well against wind gusts and storms. This chair is extremely comfortable, with just the ideal angle for settling in cozily. Its wide arms offer enough room for lounging or holding your drink. Plus, it comes with a detachable ottoman for extra support and comfort for your legs. Easily maintained with hardwood oil, sold separately. Seat dimensions 20 by 23 by 15 inch. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.